Okay, just now when I shared 3 indicators, can anyone just shout out what's the first 2 that I shared? EMA, right? Second 2? SAR. The last one? ADX. Okay. So I'm going to remove everything from the chart and I'll manually add in so that you all know how to do this. If you are on Liquid platform, you go to Crypto Watch, don't use TradingView. I like the Crypto Watch one because you can save the indicators. You can save what you trade. You can expand over here, you can see the full chart. Okay, these are tools that you can use. Alright, so I will just go by default settings first. Default settings. Okay, don't know what happened, no one guide you. This is what you will see on Liquid. First thing, I want to add in the EMAs. How do I do it? Fortunately for Crypto Watch, just go from left to right. Okay, first thing, I changed to Hacking Ashy trading candlesticks. You can go and research on this. I prefer this because it filters out a lot of noise. Compare these candlesticks with the default one. Which one looks cleaner? This is the first one. This is the second one. I prefer this. Okay, I use these candlesticks. This is the first thing you need to add in. Second one, I'll go on to the next row on the right. I click EMA. Of course, by default, let's say default. The default one is 10, 21, 100. It's a bit small here. Hopefully you can see. So I can change it. My preferred is, don't ask me why. You can stay back later on if you want to know more. 8, 15, 50, 100. I can add in my SAR indicator. It's there. It's so guided, man. This one is so good. Alright, so the last thing that I want to add in, okay, there are more advanced ones, even Ichimoku strategy, alligator, you can go and research on yourself. So there are so many indicators here. You have the common one, MACD, this is how it looks like, RSI, it's okay. I will just use the ADX over here. Okay, there are 2 things. One is the ADX, one is the DMI. Okay, for me, my preferred settings for daily chart is 7. The default one is actually 14. I changed to 7, so that's faster. Alright, so everything is lined up now. Okay, let's run through some of the key levels. Okay, so if you're not too sure what's happening, let's try to at least learn something. Okay, so the blue, okay, the orange line is the, I would say the fastest moving average is the 8-day moving average. I use exponential here. 8, 15. This is 50, this is 100. So when everything lines up in order, the lowest EMA is actually at the highest, it's above. Clearly it's in a bullish trend. What we don't like is like here. Okay, the shorter EMAs actually bleach below the longer EMAs, and there's a reversal pattern. Confirmed by the SAR indicator, you see it's above. And then the green actually crossed above the red, the red crossed above the green. Bearish pattern, this plunge below, SAR plunge. So 3 indicators give a bearish sign. The odds, you have higher odds of making profit if you are in a short direction. Fortunately, in Liquid, you can use a margin short. Okay, if the price, the asset keeps falling, you can make money. So when can you actually exit the trade? Okay, when the signals or the indicators flip. When you want to, like, imagine you are here, you enter short. When I can take profit? When the SAR flip. Okay, when the ADX cross. Okay, when you see over here, when the 8 cross below the 15, I short. When the 8 cross above the 15, this thing, the bullish reversal sign, SAR flip, I take profit. So this is the profit I earn, the difference from the time that I short. So this is just one simple application. Is this as easy as that? Okay, it's better to have more confirmations, but I'll just show you how just using 3 indicators you can help you. Alright, so at these key levels, 100-day is a very important level other than 200-day, okay, for long-term traders to enter. So we always want to ride the trend. If the trend is bearish, I'd rather lean towards shorting. If the trend is bullish, I lean towards longing. So you see the price, the green one is the 100-day, very important key level. Goes up, struggles, plunge again. Goes up, struggles, plunge again. As long as it don't go above the 100-day moving average, I won't go in, I won't show hand. I only show hand if I will show hand partial if it goes above the 100-day. I will be more confident if it goes above the 200-day moving average. I'm not indicated in this chart here, all right? Okay, I will show you one way you can use this strategy even to have a long direction, which means, wow, I feel that I still can make this pattern. Enter here, exit here. Okay, using trade signals. You are trading a bounce. Long here, take profit, because I know it will go back. Long here, take profit. Long here, take profit. How? Okay, I'm going to show you how we do it now. So if you are on a daily chart, okay, this is if you're a swing trader, which means I'm willing to hold this for at least a week or a few days. The first one that I look is daily chart. I can go on to 4 hour, okay, to have a precise entry. But how do I know that this area is a good time for me to trade? Look at here, over here, the first one, okay? Sorry. Okay, what can you see at this point? The 8-day crossover, the 15-day crossover, so it's a bullish indication. The green is above the red, which means the bulls are in control. SAR is over here. I can enter over here, possibly these candles, but how do I know when to exit? One way to exit is probably when there's a crossover, but likelihood you'll be slow. You make a loss, okay, if you are slow. So one way is to use a Fibonacci retracement tool. Oh, anyone lost? Who here use Fibonacci? Everyone knows about this. Okay, I'm going to show you. This is a very, very good tool that you can use on Crypto Watch using Liquid platform. Alright, so how do you draw a Fibonacci retracement from a swing high to a swing low? I will just show you 2 examples of this, so you have to catch it. Swing high. So imagine I enter a trade here. These candles haven't appeared yet, but how to set my sell order? What price, what magical level? Okay, I draw from the previous swing high, swing low. These magical lines and ratios will appear. Just now remember how to exit. Okay, the strategy tree is look at 50% and 61.8%, the magic lines, the magic area. Right? So coincidentally, look at this, the candle touch 50%, goes down. Wow, so zun. Imagine over here, these candles haven't appeared yet. You just draw based on past data. This is the area between 50 to 61, I can set my sell orders. You don't set on that point level itself. You actually layer your sell orders to make sure that you will be triggered. You can make some profit. Some even more kiasu, probably you want to set some levels lower, between 38.2 to 50, I can set my sell orders here. Right? So there's no way, literally no way you can make a loss unless you don't know what you're doing. Let me show you another scenario further down the chart, whether this bounce technique can work as well. Okay, let's look over here. So next time I go here, right? What about here? Can I trade a bounce? Same routine. Number 1, EMA. 8 moves over, 15, ADX cross above, SAR below, right? Long. 3 indicators confirmation that likelihood, the strength is on the bulls, higher probability of winning if you margin long. Right? So then I enter. But where to exit? Again, I use my retracement tool. Swing high, Okay, what can we see here? Where's the highest point? Between 50 to 61%, 61.8 again. Why? Every time I tell people in trading, in all asset class, it's not about fundamentals, it's about technical trading. Okay, you can read the crystal ball from here. So if I enter here, where to set your sell, I will start to sell between 90 and 96.87. These are some of the key levels I shared with some of our members. If you are here, this level, you can use this interesting tool. Probably you might attend some course, you pay 5,000 just to learn this tool. No need, you can learn it free tonight. All right? One last one. See whether you can use this tool again, all right? Further down the chart again. Let's see here whether it works. You want to trade this bound. Same thing, okay? Everything lined up. I'll use the retracement tool. Again, okay, I don't need to repeat the story already. This is a bear market trading method to trade the bounce. Simple as that. All right, see? Sell orders, you can set your sell orders between 50 to 61.8, and then the price just goes down. Because the bears are in control, validated by EMA. Okay, so whatever I would say bullish forces, these are key areas they will actually take profit because they know that they are not in control anymore. Hedge funds, advanced traders, bankers, institutional funds, all take reference to these key levels. It's not about crypto only. It's about stocks, it's about gold, any asset classes. These are some of the key levels people take, okay, whenever they enter or exit. So let's say, for example, if you want to long the asset, okay, you want to short the asset, you can take the inverse. You can do a retracement tool, okay, and you can actually enter, use that as a reference to enter, exit, re-enter, exit, re-enter, exit as well. So these are some of the ways.